I am Dr. Kuldeep Wagh and I practice in Pune at Blossom Women Care. I am a gynecologist and a IVF specialist. When I sit in my OPD and when I see infertile patients, I see them as they are very much confused. Exactly, they don't know what to do. Anyhow, they want a baby at any condition. And this motivates me to create a series of videos which should be for the patient's general information. I won't be using any technical data in that, and they will help the patient to understand what is IVF, what is infertility, and what are the steps and the way the patient should proceed. When a patient comes to me, first of all, the patient is in a blaming mode. Ki sir, there is no problem in the uterus, there is no problem in the tubes, there is no problem in the ovaries. फिर भी बच्चा क्यों नहीं रह रहा? Why still I don't have a baby? But it needs to be understood that the main factor for infertility, when all the parameters are normal, is anxiety to conceive. The patient is under so much of stress that the patient wants the baby continue. Every time the patient has an intercourse, the patient wants a baby to be converted from that intercourse. Secondly, when you think that, I'm taking it to a different level, but when a natural intercourse occurs, around about 50 to 70 millions of sperms are deposited in the vagina of the female. And out of that 70 million sperms, only one sperm goes ahead and all others are dead. It does not fit into logic. Ki 70 million sperms, all of them die and only one goes ahead. Similar thing happens in the woman. The woman has 40,000 eggs in the ovaries, out of which only one egg matures and ruptures. And who decides this? Not me, not the patient. You can call it the Almighty, or you can call it natural, or you can call it destiny. But then this is how in a normal patient the cycle goes ahead. Second thing what I observe is that the patient compares her life continuously with somebody else. मेरे बहन की शादी मेरे बाद में हो गई, फिर भी उसको बच्चा जल्दी रह गया. मेरे दोस्त की शादी बाद में हो गई, उसको बच्चा रह गया. मेरी काम वाली आती है, उसको तो 4-4 बच्चे. तो मैंने ऐसा क्या किया है, मेरे में तो कोई डिफेक्ट है ही नहीं. But they don't understand that your life and their life are not comparable. Both are different people, and both, even though all the parameters are normal, still there is discrepancy between them. Kama Sutra says that when you have a sexual intercourse, your mind should be completely free of thoughts, which I am going to talk in my second chapter, second lecture. So, when I asked the couple what was going in your mind when you had your first sexual intercourse, the couple said, we had fun. We had it for pleasure. But unfortunately, when the couple comes to us for treatment, they want the sexual intercourse to be converted into a baby. So every time she comes, we give her treatment. They have the sexual intercourse. We follow all the guidelines. And still she doesn't conceive. And she gets her menses. And she gets frustrated when she gets her menses. Wapas aa gaya. There is one more thing to be noted. Patients take treatment for 5 years, 7 years, 8 years, long duration. It's a very painful process mentally. And at one stage, I have seen such cases, at one stage they leave it. Ki bas ho gaya. We do not want to have a baby and not to have a treatment at all. So band ho gaya, band karo. And when it is stopped, the treatment is stopped, they conceive. So in next chapter, I would be discussing about how to have a proper sexual intercourse. I will take you through all those methods and give you a clear idea about what to do and what not to do. Thank you.